Hey guys, today we're going to be opening up some Star Wars toys. Let's see which one we should open. What do you think, Yoda? Playdoh we must. Yes. Playdoh. Alright, so it looks like Yoda wants to do some Play-Doh. We got 2 Play-Dohs today. Let's check which one. Maybe we'll let Chewie pick. What do you think, Chewie? Yeah. So this is the first one here. We can do Luke Skywalker and Darth Vader on their fighter jets. And you can see up here, there's little plastic toys to put the Play-Doh heads in. That one looks like fun. Or the second one is Luke Skywalker, a stormtrooper. And we got a little Ewok up here. So we got 3... Check up here, there's 3 potato heads. That one looks like fun too. Let's let Chewie decide. Ready, Chewie? You have to decide which one. Looks like Chewie made his pick. We'll do this one. Let's open up the box and see what's in there. Alright, so we're going to open this bad boy up. Let's get all the pieces out. Alright, so there's a lot of pieces in this one. This one comes with 3 different Play-Dohs. Let's open this up. Yeah. The first one is a blue Luke Skywalker Play-Doh. That one's pretty cool. It says Star Wars Play-Doh in the back here. Let's open that up. Ooh, got a nice shade of blue. Don't you love fresh Play-Doh? Oh, it's the best. Smell it. Ooh, smells delicious. Alright, the next one we got here is pink. Who do you think's on this side? Dun, 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 dun. Darth Vader. Dun, 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 dun. Let's open this pink one up. Yeah. Ooh. Fresh Play-Doh is the best. Alright, put that guy here. And the last one, another blue. Jeez, they have us 2 blues. What's going on here? Alright, Star Wars Play-Doh on the other side. A satellite? That's boring. That's weird. Alright, so now we got all our Play-Doh out. Let's stack them up. Let's check out what we got here. First we have Luke Skywalker's X-Wing, it looks like. There's a spot here to put Luke Skywalker in. And you can fly around. Ooh, it doesn't stay too well. You gotta force it in there. All right. That's pretty cool, but I think he's missing some missiles. See, look at the box. We can make some Play-Doh missiles here. Add it on. A Play-Doh R2-D2 and even a Play-Doh lightsaber. So that's pretty cool. We'll do that. What's over here? We got pieces. This looks like Darth Vader's plane. So we put them on here, I guess, like this. How does this work? All right. Oh, the 2 wings go like this, one on each side. It's a little tricky, but I'm really smart, so we'll figure it out. All right. Like that. Click the other one in the hole. Boom. And we got a little spot for Darth Vader. And look at this. He's got a red lightsaber. He's got little guns here, little missiles. So we'll set that up. Oh, we forgot a piece. Where did this go? This goes on top. This goes on top like this. We got a couple more places for missiles, it looks like. Alright, here's the lightsabers there. Turner, 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 Turner. Hey Chewie. Yes? Do you like the Play-Doh so far? Oh yeah. Alright, let's get to it. So we'll start with the Darth Vader, the pink. So what you do in this one, when you can get the Play-Doh out, that's what's good about Play-Doh, it's so sticky. That's the problem with Play-Doh, it's so sticky. Alright, so what you can do is there's little moles on the sides of the wings. That's a little ray gun here. Ray gun here. There's a ray gun here. A ray gun here. Other side, there's a big ray gun. A little one. And here's two little bombs, it looks like. When you look at Luke's, this is the mold for R2-D2. I'll show you how that works. There's a little ray gun here. A little missile. 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 Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and fill those up. And then I'll get back to you. Let's fast forward this in super fast motion. Here's a little ray gun. You can see the lines. Now we're going to take off the big ray gun. Oh, that one's pretty big. I wouldn't want to get hit with that one. We got the little bombs over here. Let's check that out. Just like in the cartoon. We got another one over here. Ooh, that one has kind of like a star shape, or kind of even looks like a bit of a turtle. Alright, so that is Darth Vader's weapons. So we'll go ahead and put him in his X-Wing. Now let's do Luke. Luke's got a lot of weapons here. We'll take the blue one for Luke, and we'll open it up. And we'll go in super fast motion. Alright, so let's take them out, see what they look like. That's the first missile. Gotta clean it up a little bit. Alright. Play-Doh gets everywhere. Alright, so now we have the second gun here. Let's try this one out. That one got a little squished. That's okay. What about this one here? Ooh, looks like a lightsaber of some sort. Another missile under the wing. Sneaky, sneaky. Pretty cool. Alright, and the big guy. Let's check out R2-D2. Cool. So we're going to remove the excess Play-Doh here. And what we'll do is we'll put another ball in here so we can prop them up. Put them on top. Gentle, we don't want to squish all the lines. So now it looks like a real R2-D2. Put the top back on Luke. Put the rest of the Play-Doh. Let's see what he thinks. What do you think, Luke? You like your airplane? Oh, yeah! Let's do this. Alright, so now we got both of the guys ready. We have Luke in his X-Wing, and we have Darth Vader in his little airplane. I put the lightsabers, red for Darth Vader, of course, blue for Luke Skywalker, and now they're going to fight with all their weapons. Who do you think's going to win? Let's ask the experts, Chewie and Yoda. Alright, guys, who do you think is going to win? Oh, Luke Skywalker. Oh, he's got the Force. Darth Vader, he's gonna win. No, Luke Skywalker. No, Darth Vader. No. Alright, guys, while they fight it out, we're gonna check and see who's gonna win. Darth Vader goes first. Picks up a gun. Fires. Boing! Ow, ow, ow. Right off Luke Skywalker's head. But he comes back with the missile. Whoa! He fell out. Woohoo! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. Darth Vader's gone back in. Boing! Off the head. And he takes the lightsaber. Ow, 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 ow. Woo! And there goes Luke Skywalker. Let's go round two. Missiles. Looks like Luke Skywalker is the winner. I won, I won, I won, I won. Don't forget to subscribe. And like the video.